Academy, and I'm here to tell you about our brand new course, Design for Additive Manufacturing. We're really excited about this. It's just launching now. Basically, the course is aimed at anyone with an FDM printer or a PolyJet printer. Throughout the course, we'll teach you how to design your parts for those specific technologies, the advantages and disadvantages of both, and how to actually get the most out of your printer, and how to design your parts for specific applications. So it could be an aerospace part, it could be an automotive part, it could even just be a form and fit type kind of project, but we will help you design those parts within the course. So it's class-based, including some practical design exercises too. It's 1.5 days to 2 days, depending on your requirements. You can either come to our site in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can come to you. And there's no requirement for an actual 3D printer to be there on the day either. So we're really excited about it. You can find out more information either above or below on the links, depending on what device you're viewing this on. And yeah, we really look forward to having you on it.